Hello friends, today we'll see the different types of reagents which are used in housekeeping. These are actually the cleaning agents only, but there are two types of reagents. One is acidic and one is alkaline. Okay. Acidic cleaning agents or acidic reagents, these are what? These are all cleaning agents which are used to clean a floor, various types of metals, wood surface. Okay. And alkali is what? Alkali, these are the laundry agents which are used in a laundry. This is what? This is normally measured in a pH scale. Okay. pH scale is what? It start from 1 to 14. Okay. So 1 to 7 is what? Is an acidic, and 7 to 14 is alkaline. So whenever we are using any of these cleaning agents, we have to know how much is the pH of that particular cleaning agents, and accordingly we'll have to use it on a different surfaces. Most of the times these are the branded company, they are normally using a standard pH scales. They are measuring each and every cleaning agents in a pH scales, and then only they sell it in the markets. Okay. Now we'll see the pH scale, how we measure the pH scales. Okay. Now you can see this is what? This is a litmus paper. Okay, which are used to check the pH scale of each and every cleaning agents which are there. Okay. Now this is the paper. Now thing is that I have already tested this all chemicals with a litmus paper. Okay, this is what? This is an Tasky R1, and you know that this is a Tasky R1 which is used for bathroom cleaner. Okay, so I have already tested and it's turned into green. Okay, then like this there is a Tasky R2 which is also turns into green. Okay, then Tasky R3 is in orange color, R4 is again a orange color, R5 is a little green colors. Okay, this one is in the red color, dark red color. This is what? This is in toilet cleaners. Then floor cleaner is again orange color. Okay, sodium hypochlorite is in the white color. Okay, so like this, what? This is what? Final one, this is in grill, Suma grills. Okay, which is turned into the blue color, dark blue color. Okay. Just now I have shown you the various effect of cleaning agents on the litmus paper. Now I'll tell you that how we have to see the color and their effect on that. Okay. Just now I have mentioned that 7 is what? Is in the neutral. Okay, where there is a nothing is there in that particular cleaning agents. Okay, is in the purely water. Alright. So like this, what we have to check, what we have to see in that. Okay, if it is of maroon color is what? Is in the topmost acidic one. So acid is what? HCl, hydrochloric acid, concentrate hydrochloric acid. Okay, normally you can see, you can find in a number of places, in number of shops. Okay, which are available. Okay, and whenever we diluted with a water, then it's called a diluted HCl. So whenever it is a hard one, that we are to use it for removing the stubborn stain. Okay, but there is a negative impact of this hydrochloric acid as well. Okay, while they are using on a various surface, so there might be a chances of damaging of that surface. So you cannot recover it afterward. So normally suggesting that you have to use this kind of cleaning agents along with waters. That means we will have to mix it with the waters, and then we can use it on various surfaces. So whenever we dilute it with the water, then we can use it on surfaces which are newly constructed, where there are lots of cement stains are there. Okay, you can find it in new buildings. So the people, they are using a diluted acids to remove the cement stain from the flooring. So just I have mentioned about the diluted HCl. So whenever this paper turns into red, okay, that means what? This is a diluted acid. Okay, like this you can see that whenever it's come to the 7, that means what? A faint green color. Okay, which is what? The 7 number or the 7 measures. which is showing that nothing is there. And whenever you go ahead, so the first one that is what 7 to 14 is alkali. So whenever alkali percentage are increased in a cleaning agent, so that will be showing the effect on litmus paper. So if it is turned into green, so it is showing that the score of that particular alkali into that. Okay, and if it is turned into dark blue, that means what is having a higher percentage of alkali. That means what is a caustic soda. Okay. If you see, the 1 number is what hydrochloric acids and 14 number is what caustic soda. Okay. So let's see the effect of this litmus paper on caustic soda, directly on caustic soda. Okay. Now this is in caustic soda. I'll just dip this one into water. Okay. Now this is what, this is turning into blue. That means what, the score of caustic soda is what, 14. Okay, so you can check the effect of all cleaning agents here. Now we can see the another cleaning agents, which is called Sumagrel. Okay, number of times I have mentioned about the Diversey company, and Sumagrel is one of their products. Okay, the purpose of that is mentioned here: oven grill cleaners and concentrate. Okay, so caustic soda and this one is the same. The impact of this one is the same. Okay, so I'll check the Sumagrel's results. Okay, now I have put the litmus paper in this. Now you can see that is what is in dark blue color. Okay, that means what, Sumagrel, the score is 14, is having a lots of alkaline, and which is used to remove the stain from oven and grills. Okay. So whatever the stains, so normally we know that there are burn stains are there inside this one, and that will be useful for the same. Okay, and same with the caustic soda as well. Okay, also the one more purpose of this caustic soda is to clean the drainage. If there is a drainage is blocked, so we can put some caustic soda in that, and we can clean that drainage as well. Okay, all right. Now let's see the effect of R1 is what, as a bathroom cleaner comes sanitizer concentrate. Okay, so this score should be 8. 8 means what is in the green color, which having a mole alkaline. Okay, which is normally used in a bathroom surface. Okay, so the score of this is 8. You can see there is a green color, light green color, is not a dark green color. Okay, so this is what, in this way you can check a pH scale of R1. Okay, which is used in a bathroom. You know that we are using all delegates the bathroom fittings using, so it should not be damaged due to the using of any wrong chemicals or any wrong cleaning agents. So that's why need to use it and check it with this strips. Now we'll see the effect of spiral. Okay, spiral is what is in the normally is floor cleaner concentrate. Okay, whenever need to remove some hard stain from the floor, so we need to use this floor cleaning agents. Okay, now we'll see the effect of spirals on this one. You can see that. Okay, this is turning into yellow. Okay, that means what, their acid or their score is 5. Alright, so if it is score is 5, is what they have a little acids in that, not too much of acids. Okay, so that is useful to remove the stain from the floor and the grease as well. Alright, so this is an spiral HT. Now we'll see the effect of this paper on sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite is what is a disinfectant. Okay, which is normally used during a corona. You must have seen that the corporation peoples or the government peoples, they are using this chemical for disinfect the various area. Okay, so we'll see the effect of this sodium hypochlorite on this paper, and it's supposed to be green. Okay, so you can see that the score is 8 now. 8, 9. The score should be 8 or 9. Okay. Okay, now you can see that this is turned into light green. Okay, I'm telling you one thing about this sodium hypochlorite. They are giving a validity of 6 months from packaging dates. Okay, if you are not using within a 6 month, so their effect start going down. Okay, now which is the score is 7. It has supposed to be 9, 8 or 9. That means these are effective. Now this is not effective. Okay, you can check the usability of this cleaning agents through this paper. Okay, so now this is what can be utilized. This is a disinfectant, but the effect is lesser than the previous one. Okay, so whatever the guideline is given on this, we'll have to follow that. So we'll have to utilize within a 6 months from the packaging. Okay, now you can see that is packaged on April 2021. Now is what is almost crossing the 6 months, so that there is a no as such effect of this chemicals on this paper. Okay, D7. Okay, I have already explained you about this is what SS polish. SS polish is what? Stainless steel polish. Okay, now we know that stainless steel is what? Is a delicate surface. Okay, the acid and alkali should not be more into that particular one. Okay, so it has to balance with that alkali. Little bit alkali is required to give a little shine on that, but we cannot use acid. So their score should not be lesser than 7. It's a 7 or maybe a more than 7, but not more also. It's nearby 7, 8. Okay, so now it's supposed to be turned into the parrot green color. Okay, now we'll see the effect of this chemicals on this one. If it is turned into the parrot green colors, light green colors, that means what? This is an in conditions to use. Okay, and we'll see the right effect of this polish on the surface. Okay, sometimes somebody is saying that, sir, I am using a D7, still I am not getting a result. So you can check, you can take it this one and you can check with these strips, and you can find out, okay, this isn't where is in good conditions or it's not in good condition, whether the product is usable or is expired. Okay, now this is mentioning that, this is showing that the product is in good condition, that we can use it. Now this is what this is in Brasso as in polish, which is normally used on copper and brass articles. Okay, so this is containing acetic acid. Okay, which is used to give a shine to the surface. Okay, now this score of this should be a 3, as in a red color. Okay, we'll see the effect of this one. If it is turned into red, that means what? As in the good conditions to use. Otherwise the effect of this one is lesser. Okay, we need to replace that one. This is what? This is an indications. Okay, now this is turned into yellow, faint yellow, faint green. That means what? Their score is near to neutralize. Means what? Nothing is there in that particular this one. Okay, this only the polish is remain, only the water is remain in that, and there will be a no as such result that will get it through this cleaning agents. Okay, so it's supposed to be red, the color should be 3 of this particular thing, then only we can see the results on a surface. Now we'll see the effect of vinegar. Vinegar is what? This is an edible acid. Okay, which is normally used in a cooking, but here in housekeeping also we are using this one to remove the stain, some kind of stain from the bathrooms. Okay, so we'll see the effect of this vinegar on the strip. Okay, it's turned into red. Okay, the score of this one is 2 or 3. Okay, so this is what? This is in good condition that we can use it. Okay, this is an actual and ideal results of this one, this product. Okay, so vinegar.